What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you guys a quick fair value gap trade on silver. Alright, so first and foremost, our target are these highs over here. Okay. The time right now is around 3 a.m. in the morning, and we are trading to 5 a.m. Eastern. Alright, standard time. So first and foremost, when we look at it, we see that it's in an uptrend. So we go on a lower time frame, 15 minutes, to see if we could catch a fair value gap before it hits that mark. Alright, we don't see anything really big in the 15 minute, so we go on a 5 minute. On the 5 minute, we already see that there was a fair value gap taken out here. Alright, right, that's 1, 2, 3 gap between the first and the third candles, right? And we are waiting for the 3 o'clock, which is 3 o'clock right now. Alright, and we're looking for an entry so that we can go towards these highs. First, what do we see? We see the low was made here, made a break of structure up here. This was the break of structure right here. Right, came back down into this fair value gap right here, went up. Alright, and it came back down. So basically it started doing, it made a low, made a BOS here, made a break of structure right around there. Right, yep, so made a break of structure right here. This was the original high. It broke it, came back down, made equal lows here. Made equal lows here. Underneath it is a fair value gap. Right, so once it made the equal lows here, it went up, it came back down to form the new high low. This was the high. Alright, so it just kept making, it did a break of structure, came down, formed equal lows here, then flew up, made a high. Alright, then came back down to make a higher low after it took out these equal lows right at the fair value gap. Then it started going up. Alright, so now we're looking for fair value gaps here between the times of 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern. So we're going to lower time frame, see if we can find a fair value gap that we can use. On the 3 minute, there's a fair value gap here. Look, so we can enter before it goes any higher. Yeah, so this is our high. Our stop loss In this situation, I'm gonna have it a little bit down here. Alright, just to give it a little bit of room. I'm going for a 1-on-1. A little bit of room to play around in. Right. So my target are these highs up here. Right, and we're gonna wait to see what happens. So this is the London kill zone time. Which is a 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our target is up here. And we're gonna wait and see what happens on silver. Alright, looks like it's coming down a little bit. That's fine, simply because there is equal highs up here. Right here. So it's probably gonna fake people out, get them selling, so it can push up. But as you can see, breaker structure came back down here, pushed up, took out these equal lows here. You know, still making higher highs, higher lows. So it's still holding, and we're just gonna see what happens. So this is basically top-down analysis at its finest, mixed in with time to get a good entry. See, now on the 5-minute we see like there's a mini fair value got formed here. So there's a possibility it might come back down a little bit. You know, maybe even come down here a little bit and then push up. You know, because of these two fair value gap areas right here. But at the end of the day, the trend is up. So it's a bullish trend. So I'm confident that it's going to continue up. So we just have to see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, it finally hit. Looks like this fair value gap we originally made around 3 o'clock in the morning ended up holding. So we didn't even need this big fair value gap. If you entered around 3 a.m., you would probably be in drawdown for like 12 minutes. If you entered around 7, you'd probably be in drawdown for like what, 5 minutes, 5 to 4 minutes. So yeah, pretty simple. Same thing you do every single day. I'm actually done. Did pretty good. Here's the fair value gap. This is the 5-minute fair value gap. 1, 2, 3. Price came down here around 310, and then as soon as that happened, it was case. everything was over, you know. So just to go over what I did, it was basically I seen liquidity get taken out here, pushed up, did a breakup structure around here, broke this higher low. Broke this lower high, excuse me, and shot up, formed a fair value gap here, and then two equal lows around here, right? Then shot up again, right? Came back down to take out these equal lows at this fair value gap, right? And then it shot up. Okay, liquidity will always be above a fair value gap. That's how you know price wants to continue up, right? So notice as soon as the liquidity got taken, which was the equal lows got taken here, it came down to the fair value gap and drove up. After that, it already wanted to get these highs. So I'm not entering at any of these times because again, it's outside of my trading time. I normally trade kill zone liquidity during the kill zone times, 3 a.m. till 5 a.m. Eastern if I'm trading London. And if I'm trading New York, it's gonna be 8 a.m. Eastern to 11 a.m. Eastern. Alright. And look, as soon as that got taken out, GG. And that's it, guys. I will have more videos in the description, and I'll make more videos on silver and gold as well, and how to catch fair value gaps during time and what to look for. If you like the video, you can check it out in the playlist. And if you need help identifying what a fair value gap is, I also have a video of that in the description as well. There's a whole playlist on my channel that teaches fair value gaps and examples on how to catch them and how to use them. Alright, thank you guys.